Big legal questions are swirling over the federal ICE officer shooting in Minneapolis, and I had a chance to speak with a legal expert to break down some of the most pressing ones. We'll start with this first. When can a federal ICE officer use deadly force? Well, according to the law, federal ICE officers can use lethal force to protect themselves or others from harm when trying to make an arrest. But using force doesn't always have to be against the person being arrested.
They can also do things associated with those duties, like potentially using force to prevent someone else from interfering with their duties.
While some say the shooting was excessive, Trump administration officials argued the ICE officer legally used force to protect himself. So, what could make or break a self defense argument? One factor that could undermine that claim is whether the officer voluntarily created the danger. If he stepped in front of the car on purpose, for example, it could be hard to argue he had no choice but to shoot. Which leads us to one final question. When can a moving vehicle be considered a deadly weapon? Legal experts say the law will look at the totality of circumstances, basically, whether the officer had other options other than to shoot.
What were the ICE agents even trying to do? How much were they actually being obstructed? What are the measurements of the street? Even things like that. Like, could they have simply gotten around this driver? Were there other avenues available to them that they didn't need to create this altercation?
And there's one final wild card federal immunity, which could block the state of Minnesota from criminally charging the ICE agent at all.